Welcome once again to Amazing Maths Pro channel. So today we are looking at how to add fractions with like or the same denominator. In fact, it's one of the easiest math operations or fraction operations you can think of. So when you look at the first example that we have here, example 1, the first example we have here, you realize that the denominators are the same. The denominators are the same. They are all 5, 5. They are all 5, 5. So here you don't have to worry yourself going to find for the multiples and looking out for the common one. No. So you only have to write this single denominator, which is our 5, and then you go to the numerators there. So we write our 3, the numerator here, and then we bring in our plus sign, and then we write the next numerator, which is 4. After that, we add them. 3 plus 4 will give us 7 out of 5. Now you can decide to simplify the improper fraction here to get one whole number, 2 out of 5 as our final answer. And that is very simple. All right, so let's look at the second example. As we did earlier, we don't have to go and find for any common multiple anyway because they have like terms. So this and this are basically the same or equal. So we write just a single denominator, and then we move to the numerator side, and then we add them. So 5 plus 2, which will give us 7 out of 7. You can simplify to get 1 as your final answer. Then maybe you can try this one on your own. If you have 2 out of 3 plus 5 out of 3, then what should be the final answer? Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.